Hello, and welcome to our YouTube channel, Garagedian. Today, we're talking about the reason for a gap at the top of your garage door. There are several factors that can cause this problem. For instance, the garage door opener might be mounted too low, which can prevent the door from closing all the way. Another common issue is weatherstripping, which is a rubber or foam seal that fills the space between the door and the floor. If this becomes damaged or deteriorates, it can cause a gap at the top of the door. Another possible reason for a gap is improperly adjusted springs. If the door is not level, it can also lead to sagging and a gap at the top. This could be due to the door settling over time or because the door was installed incorrectly. Sometimes, a gap at the top may occur if the door is the wrong size for the opening. This could be because the opening has changed size due to settling or because the door was placed incorrectly. Finally, the door might be sagging, which can cause a gap at the top. You can fix this problem by using a threshold, which sits at the bottom edge of the door. These can be purchased at most home improvement stores. Remember, the door tracks help guide and maintain the alignment of the door. If they are deformed or out of alignment, it can cause a gap at the top of the door. We hope this information was helpful in understanding the possible causes of a gap at the top of your garage door. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks for your garage.